Hi guys, so today I tried this new mocha trend. I know this is a new color from, apparently Pantone say this is the new color of 2025. So there you go. I tried the makeup. I really like it, like the lips, like the eyes. So if you like it too, please keep watching because I'm gonna show you what I use and what I did. Thank you for watching, and yeah, let's get into the tutorial. Okay, so my face is already prepped. I moisturized and everything. So now I'm gonna go straight in with foundation. I'm gonna try to use this one, which I really like. I just don't like the applicator. It's just not the best. I don't know if I got a faulty one or if this is just the way it is. Because even when I squeeze the applicator into, the foundation, it doesn't really get that much product. So I really don't know if, yeah, again, this is a 41 or if it's just the way it is. I don't really like, the applicator, but I do like the foundation. So yeah, I'm still gonna use it. So and it's very nice because it's more like a tinted moisturizer, which I think I said it already in a previous video. I do prefer compared to very thick foundation, which are not really my vibe. So yeah, more me, I would say. So, and this is very nice because it's called skin booster because it's got vitamin C in it. So it's nice. It's definitely a plus. Yeah, I'm gonna put it on my lid as well a bit. Just whatever is left on the brush. I don't normally apply foundation there, but whatever is left, I'm just gonna do that to kind of hide discoloration or anything you can have on your lid. So, and yeah, of course, drag it down to your neck so you're all cohesive and everything is the same color and finish and everything. So so then I'm gonna use a little bit of concealer, and I'm gonna use the True Match by L'Oreal, just a tiny bit. I'm not a massive concealer fan, so I just use a tiny bit to make this under eye area a little bit brighter, especially because you guys, can you believe yesterday was the first of January the 1st, so the first day of the year. I was feeling like crap. Like after lunch, I don't know what happened. I was feeling like so tired, like no energy at all, really crap. And then I started like shivering, and I was like, oh, I feel like I'm getting like fever and everything. I didn't have any flu or throat or sore throat, nothing. So absolutely nothing. In the evening, of course, because I was like so cold, I didn't even eat. I just had like cup of tea, and then I got some paracetamol. Anyway, I have fever. It was not that high. It was 37.7. So it was not the worst, but still, thankfully, last night basically I sweated off. So I woke up this morning, no fever. So I don't know, maybe I was just tired. Maybe my body was just telling me to slow down, because I do work, like, most of us do, and I work, I train during my lunchtime, and then I go back home, and maybe I try to do the laundry and cleaning, and even my days off basically are just me tidying up, cleaning, doing the laundry, all those chores. So I never really rest. So I guess maybe my body was just telling me that yesterday I needed a full day of just me being in bed, not do a thing, and slow down, which I think is very important. Just I'm not that kind of person. I never slow down. So I guess my body was like, okay, you don't, but I will make you slow down. So yeah. Anyway, so for my eyes, because today I want to try this Pantone, you know, color, which is the mocha color, which by the way I love, because yeah, I think it's a color that really suits me. So I will try to do this trend with whatever makeup I have. I mean, I do have a lot of makeup, and I'm sure I have a lot of colors that might recreate that shade. So yeah, I will start with so I have MAC palette. As you can see, one of the shades is completely shattered, so I cannot really do this, but this is just one of those palette that you can create yourself. So I have my most favorite eyeshadow in here. So what should I use as a base? Because I don't think I have soft brown in here anymore. Okay, so my phone decided to, you know, just die. Anyway, so I'm gonna use from this Spice palette this shade right here, which is very similar to soft brown. So that's gonna be the base. I find, you know, makeup very therapeutic when you are stressed or, I don't know, down or something. I always love so much, you know, doing my makeup. So yeah, definitely one of the things that I love the most in the morning, like when I get ready and do my makeup. Anyway, now I'm gonna go in with this shade from MAC, which you can really tell the color, but I know it's texture, so, and it's this one. Okay, so you can see we're getting a bit darker. I really like this shade. It's one of those shades that, you know, you forget you have, and you forget how much you like it, and then you use it and you're like, oh god, yes, it's a good shade. This is a good shade even on its own, to be honest. So, but yeah, really like it. Now I'm gonna darken up. So I'm gonna use, it's very hard, soft brown, which is down here. I know it looks more like a peachy, but you know, it's really not. I think it's the light, but yeah. And now I'm gonna use Swiss chocolate from MAC, which is this shade right there. And let's see. Let me get up my mirror, because otherwise it's gonna be really hard for me to see what I'm doing. Yes. I like it. And then from this Swiss palette, since I have it, you know, here, I'm gonna use this shade right here. And I think I'm gonna also use this a bit in the corner here, because it's warmer compared to Swiss chocolate, so, and a little bit darker too. So yeah, I think I like it. Just a tiny bit darker. I really enjoy it. So now I'm gonna just try to clean the edges a bit with our first shade, which was, you know, the one from this palette, which reminds you of, I don't remember, what shade did I say? Anyway, it's this one, because now I don't remember the shade that I actually say, soft brown. By the way, the second shade I used, I think I said it was soft brown, but it was this one, which is brown script, not soft brown. Yeah, I think that's what I said when I was applying it, but yeah, it was brown script, and then the third one was Swiss chocolate, which I say correctly, but yeah, just rectifying the situation, otherwise I got you confused. Now let me apply my bronzer. Oh, that's, you know, one of the most important things, applying bronzer. I love bronzer, so yeah. And that's the bronzer of choice. It's the Hourglass Ambient Radiant Bronze Light. The shade is Ambient, so there you go. It's absolutely very, very well loved, you can see. I think I need to buy a new one. Yeah, just yeah. Now I'm gonna do my brows. I'm just gonna brush this through my brows, so nothing crazy, nothing special, very simple. There you go. It was very simple, I told you. And then I'm gonna apply some mascara. That's the mascara of choice, is Panorama by L'Oreal. Yeah, on the bottom lashes too. Okay, and now I think one of the most important things for the look is to find the right lips. So I have few options. Now it's gonna be, I don't say it's gonna be hard, but you know, I don't know what I'm gonna use. Maybe I'm gonna use all of them, so let's see. First of all, I'm gonna line my lips, and I'm gonna use this one from MAC, which is called Beurre, because I As you can see, I did some thought before to see which one I prefer, and I think this one is gonna be the best color. But again, I didn't test it, so let's see. Let me just angle this correctly. Okay. And you know, you can always overline your lips a bit. Okay, so that's the first thing. Now for lipstick, I think, because I have three options. I have Velvet Teddy, Weird, and I think I'm gonna use anyway Only Love, just to give some dimension. I know, I mean, this is not like a MAC tutorial, but I happen to have a lot of MAC product that seems to fit the purpose of the look. So, allora, let's start with, I think maybe Velvet Teddy more than Weird. Let's see. Let's start with this, and then we see. Yeah, this is Velvet Teddy. I think that's nice, but I want a little bit darker, I think. So I'm gonna use oil. Yeah. Definitely, this is more like the mocha that I was, you know, picturing it. And then I might use just a little bit of honey. So guys, my phone apparently died. I don't know what's going on with my phone. I have to fix it. I think it's like, yeah, it's too full, and yeah. Anyway, using my iPad just to show you the final look. I use a little bit of Honey Love in the center of the lips. I really love the look. I actually love the eyes, and yeah, love the lips. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like the video if you did like the video. And yeah, and I'll see you next time. Bye.